Since ancient times, humans have never stopped envisioning flying. This is Gogobird, a bionic flapping wing aircraft. It mimics the natural movement of birds through synthetic wings, through innovative gear set architecture, core processing chip, with precision transmission system and intelligent perception system. It realizes the autonomous adjustment to flight. Its flying posture is flexible and light, close to real birds in nature. It is equipped with a lightweight and portable one-handed joystick. At this moment, all you need to do is to break through the flying imagination and show off your skills. Gogobird is designed with human-computer interaction technology, which can fly at a fixed altitude, fly in a straight line, and have bionic flight functions, such as specific flight actions. It can easily traverse obstacles, rugged and durable modular design, breaks boundaries of flight, and brings more possibilities for bionic flapping wing aircraft. This is Gogobird.
This is Valley, a functional everyday backpack made to improve your digital life. At Barner, we have a clear mission: to empower the digital generation with creative, functional, and beautifully designed products. Now, after successfully launching 2 Kickstarter campaigns, providing more than 100,000 satisfied users worldwide with blue light protection, and becoming a B Corp, we are proud to be back on Kickstarter with our latest innovation, which we've been passionately developing for the past 2 years. As heavy tech users ourselves, we've realized that it's not easy to keep your daily essentials readily accessible and organized in one unique bag. This is why we've created Valley, a durable, adaptable, and totally versatile backpack built to meet the unique needs of the digital generation. Valley is made for everyday use. It allows you to perfectly organize and carry all of your digital essentials. Plus, you'll have extra space and functional compartments to store. A change of clothes for your morning workout, business trips, or weekend getaways. Your photo gear so you're sure to not miss the perfect shot. Food to enjoy on the go or at the office. And beverages that you can keep cool to enjoy when you just want to chill. Valley has more than 20 pockets and compartments to give you endless possibilities to smartly store anything you want in the easiest and most comfortable way. The backpack is divided into 3 main parts, which are used to store many different items. The back panel, with its accessible clamshell opening, has 2 main pockets that are used to store notebooks and your tablets. And it also includes an elasticized mesh pocket for your keyboard and a zippable pocket for your mouse or computer charger. The bottom mesh allows you to fasten an extractable computer case into your bag while securing plenty of different on-the-go essentials thanks to its elastic bands. On the front, the backpack has a waterproof, odor-free zippered pocket that gives you the versatility to store one of our 3 add-ons, depending on your daily needs. If you won't be using an add-on, the backpack's front space can be used as is and is easily accessed from the top opening. But that's not all. You also have 2 zippered pockets, multiple mesh pockets, a neoprene case for your glasses, and elastic bands so you can comfortably store anything and everything you might need. As if all this wasn't enough, Valley also includes a hidden pocket on the outside of the bag so you can protect your most important items, a retractable key holder in the side pocket, and last but not least, a magnetic mesh pocket for your water bottle, because we all know how important it is to stay hydrated. The breathable ergonomic back panel and the front adjustable strap will keep you consistently comfortable when you're on the move. For those days of heavy loads, we have created extra comfortable shoulder straps. Plus, these straps are uniquely designed so that you can wear Valley as a classic backpack or hold it like a suitcase by tucking away the straps in the back panel and carrying from the side handle. Valley's high-quality textile materials are water-resistant. That way you can face the elements with confidence, knowing that your gear will remain dry and protected. At Barner, we care about the environment, and in addition to making Valley using 100% recycled polyester as the main external material, the backpack is also Blue Sign certified. Valley has the versatility to adapt to any situation thanks to its 3 different add-ons. Let's say you start your day doing some yoga. When you're done, simply store your workout clothes in the backpack's separate odor-free waterproof compartment. Once you get to the office, you can easily unpack your work essentials in time for your next meeting thanks to thoughtfully compartmentalized storage areas. Finally, The Foodie add-on will keep your lunch sealed and well preserved until you're ready to dig in. Like to hang out with friends and a few drinks after work? The insulated Foodie Cube can also keep your beverages of choice nice and cold so that you can chill and have a good time wherever you go. For the adventurers, Valley's handy camera cube can keep your photography gear safe and organized so that you're always ready to capture the moment. If you're a frequent traveler, be it for work or pleasure, Valley will be your perfect travel companion. The backpack's TSA-friendly design takes the hassle out of going through airport security, and the adaptable trolley sleeve allows you to slide the bag over your carry-on handle. Once you've arrived at your destination, you're ready to go with everything you need thanks to Valley's 2-day packing capacity. Take the next step in improving your daily digital lifestyle with a Valley Everyday Backpack and keep on living the good life with Barner.
We are Nebia. Since we started, we've been on a mission to create the best showers in the world. Over the past several years, you've backed our award-winning shower systems on Kickstarter and helped us scale our technology. We've listened to your feedback, and now we've designed a shower head that provides 4 awesome experiences and brings water savings to everyone. Introducing our most versatile and most accessible shower ever, Nebia by Moen Quatro. Nebia by Moen Quatro packs 4 innovative sprays into one sleek shower, designed to help you feel clean, relaxed, or ready for the day. Hard spray, precision nozzles ideal for rinsing thick and curly hair and for the feeling of a high-pressure massage. Angel hair, 150 streams of water for a calming and soothing sensation that provides surprisingly high pressure and our warmest spray ever. Soft spray, our signature spa-like feeling for a drenching, misty experience. And finally, Super Saver, for when you want to save the most while staying plenty warm. This soothing mode is great for kids, pets, and sensitive skin. All 4 of these modes save between 40 to 50% of the water used by standard showers.
Quatro comes in 2 versions. The hand shower has a magnetic connection, and the rain shower is fixed.
Hands down, Angel hair, because it takes out all the shampoo out of my curly hair.
That is the first shower head I've loved, right?
It's the soft water. It turns your shower into a steam room and it feels so good. It gets super hot and it just feels
it's the most
amazing
incredible spa-like feeling you're gonna get in a shower.
It has this angel hair mode with a gentle stream that helps wind them down and calm them for the night.
All done. We've been building showers for almost a decade. With Quatro, we've applied everything we've learned to create 4 completely new sprays that let you choose the optimal shower experience. Custom designed hard spray nozzles provide a high pressure wake me up shower. 150 silky streams work together to provide the gotta get clean shower. And 10 cone nozzles converge, producing 1 million droplets per second to envelop you in a relaxing shower. We tested hundreds of prototypes in dozens of modes with one goal: give people a better shower using less water. Many regions, including here in California, are experiencing devastating droughts at unprecedented levels. The average family of 4 will save over $300 per year on water and heating costs. Quatro pays for itself in just 4 months.
Taking our mission further, Quatro is the first shower ever to have recycled ocean plastic components, produced from fishing nets that often end up as trash in the ocean. This is just the beginning for us. Our goal is to make all of our products from sustainable materials.
We're excited to introduce 2 new accessories. Our stylish quick dry earth mat, crafted from naturally sourced diatomaceous earth. The ceramic-like material feels great under your feet, magically absorbs water, is mold resistant, and doesn't need to go in the wash. We've also completely redesigned the shower arm for an easy up and down. The Nebia adjustable shower arm is the perfect add-on for a warm and powerful shower, adjusted to accommodate everyone in your house. It simply holds its position.
Kickstarter, we're here thanks to your support over the years. We're so excited to bring Nebia by Moen Quatro to you. But before we do, we need your help again. Our design and tooling is ready, and your pledge will help launch Quatro into production. The world needs innovative water-saving solutions now more than ever. Please consider backing this project. Thank you.
The great outdoors, a place of adventure and exploration. It can be beautiful, powerful, but also unpredictable and dangerous. We must be ready for whatever the wild throws at us. So are you fully prepared if things suddenly go wrong? Introducing the Care Kit, an outdoor survival system with everything you need and nothing you don't to help you better prepare for all your outdoor ventures. The Care Kit offers unmatched organisation, versatility and reliability, giving you the confidence to explore further. Hi, I'm Matt, the creator of the Care Kit and an outdoor adventure guide here in New Zealand. I know firsthand how quickly things can go wrong in the outdoors and how important it is to be fully prepared. Outdoor preparation hasn't changed much over the years, with most options offering unorganised and poor quality gear that doesn't even cover the basic essentials. That's why I created the Care Kit, because you should enjoy your adventures with the peace of mind that you're prepared for anything. The Care Kit is built to go with you on any adventure, so we made it compact, durable and customisable. Whether it's a short hike or a multi-day adventure, the modular design allows you to take just what you need when you need it. Your gear is organised into the 5 pillars of outdoor survival: water, medical, shelter, fire and tools, giving you quick and easy access to everything you need at a moment's notice. The tough and water-resistant cases protect your gear against the elements and include over 30 items of just the most essential quality survival gear, curated by outdoor experts. Tend to wounds and bandage breaks with the multi-day first aid kit. Safely drink from any water source with our water filter straw. Shelter yourself against the elements or keep your gear dry with the durable rainfly tarp. And use the tools to repair your gear, find your way, signal help or start a fire. And if you need advice, our detailed first aid and survival guides will give you the knowledge required to respond to any situation. Whether you're hiking in the forest, camping in the mountains, fishing and hunting in the backcountry, or just heading out on the wild road trip, packing the Care Kit means you're fully prepared for anything. Following a year of development and testing, we have our manufacturers lined up and ready to go. All we need now is your support to make it happen. So don't leave your safety to chance. Help us make the outdoors safer for everyone. Back us now and always be prepared with the Care Kit.
Alright, drone's up. Wait, this is gonna be a sick feature. Come in 1-2, super tight, and drop straight into that berm and hit it. Let's hit it, crew. Sender. Let's go, guys.